Today we want to look at how to access the curriculum documents. If you go to your Google Drive, make sure you're signed into your Granbury ISD account. Go here to Search Drive, and I'm going to click on this little drop-down arrow beside Search Drive. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to type in Curriculum Documents. I'm going to look for a folder titled Curriculum Documents, and then I'm going to search. You can see here the folder called Curriculum Documents. If you want to add that folder to your Google Drive, you will right-click on that folder and Add to My Drive. After that, if you want to add the whole curriculum folder, you can do that. Or you want to go to just the elementary documents, you can right-click on it and add that folder to your drive. Or you can right-click on your particular grade level and just add that folder to your drive. Whichever way you want to do that's fine. If you go then to your drive, you will see right here the Shared Curriculum Documents folder. The way that we've added that folder by right-clicking and choosing Add to Drive means that the live version of that folder and any changes that are made to it are what are added to your Google Drive.